All right. First things first, happy Veterans Day to all of you. Thank you to all of the men and women who have served this country because freedom is not free. And thank you for helping keep those freedoms within the greatest country in the entire world. Now, today was a big day in the market, and one of the trades that I've been putting you on was Bitcoin. And I told you this was very likely going to get a very impulsive rally to 80,000. And we blasted right through that on high volume and hit the next price target at 86,000. And now we're above that, and it looks like we're well on our way higher towards 95,000. Now keep in mind, above 86,000, it is very likely we are going to build out some kind of bull flag and consolidate around in here before we just continue to push higher, or we're going to get a deeper pullback and get a higher low before we push higher. We are very unlikely just going to go straight up, but with Bitcoin, you can never completely rule it out. Now I've been talking about Bitcoin, and hopefully a lot of you were on this because we had the trade off of 65,000 up to 72,000, and then again I said buy the dip above 68,000 for the push to 80,000, so we nailed both of those. But as I've been talking about, we've had a lot of swing trades for the Q4 rally that I was expecting after the election, and this rally has been extremely powerful. And you can see here total gain for all of the trades that we have been entering are right here on your screen, and we don't have a single negative trade. We have the Tesla trade up over 150%, and then the crypto trades like Ethereum and Bitcoin up over 60 to 70%. And then, of course, even more trades that are still doing very well. But these are the kind of trades you're getting in the Discord server, and why I said it is so easy to become a disciplined and profitable trader when you're getting wins this big. They're far going to exceed your losses if you are using correct risk-reward management. So with reward this large, you can imagine how much we are up year to date, and I'm going to show you at the end of the year how well we did. Absolutely blowing this market out of the water day after day, week after week, and month after month. And this is what you are going to get in the Discord server with the swing trade ideas to help you get those low risk entries and teach you how to get the high reward so that you will consistently be a profitable trader over time, because you don't need to win a lot of your trades when you are getting great risk reward ratios. The reward will far outweigh the losses, and we are still winning over 80% of our trades. So you are going to have the win rate on top of that. However, it's not required. So even if you're making mistakes while you learn, you should still be able to remain profitable with these trade ideas. All right, so let's jump over to SPY, which was up 0.1% today. And we still have this all-time high gap down here at 592. And again, that gap is going to fill. It's just a matter of when. So once we finish blowing off this top and squeezing out all of the bears, we are going to get a pullback, and that is a guarantee. That is not a speculation. At some point, even if we just go straight up into the 600s, we will come back down and fill this gap, and we will get a pullback. So do not be surprised when that day comes. I would start preparing for it now. And the easiest way to prepare for a pullback within a bull market is simply by securing some profits on the way higher. And then when we get the pullback, you'll have that dry powder to buy the dip. You don't need to short a bull market. You don't need to short any bull trends. You can if you'd like to, but you do not need to, and it is actually not suggested if you are a new trader. That is why I always tell you the trend is your friend, because you should be trading in the direction of the trend, which means you should be a long trader in a bull market, lock profits as we go higher and buy dips as we go lower. And that is where we continue to crush this market, because we are not scared and we are prepared and following trade plans. And right now, SPY needs to hold above 598, or we will start to get this pullback towards 592. So watch 598. Above it, we could just continue to go higher, and the next price target higher will be 606. On the NASDAQ 100 triple Qs, we were pretty flat today, going down 0.06%. And I told you, just like SPY, we are looking for a pullback here, and the gap fill is just above 506. And I do believe we will get that pullback very soon, if not this week. And then from there, we could go make another brand new all-time high right around 525, and that could bring us out closer to the end of the year. If we just go straight to 525, I will be blindly shorting this market for the pullback. Otherwise, you're just locking long profits now, preparing to buy the dip. If we just continue to go higher in a straight line, you will have a fairly easy and low risk short trade, but it just depends if we go straight there. But more than likely, we're going to get this pullback first and then go higher later. If we can't hold support at 506, you're looking for 503 and 500. And then below that, we have another gap to fill right around 493. So it's going to be a great finish to the year. We are already crushing this market, and there is no way at this point in the game we're going to end the year anything more than way higher than where the market is. And that is a damn great trading year, and it is a great trading year to hang our hat on. If you want to come be part of the team that absolutely destroys this market with great low risk, high reward trades, that is all in my Discord server, which you can find out how to join by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And you'll also get access to all of my technical analysis and intraday updates, which includes day trading. So thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you're crushing this market. And as always, I will see you in the next episode.